Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix token. Recently, pundix broke out the resistance of this down channel after a very long time period, but again it has re-entered the channel. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break out this resistance again or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame, then I'll take you to this channel as well. Here on the weekly time frame, we have been watching that the price line is moving inside this very big descending triangle, and we can see that right now we are very close to this support. Once again, we tested the triangle here, we tested this triangle here as well. Even we moved a little bit more down than this support here, like we moved here, but this move was more bearish back in June 2021, and recently we touched here in January 2022, and even at the end of January 2022, and in the recent week as well, we have tested the support. Even though there is a big gap, but the price line is not able to break down this support so far, and we have more touch points at the resistance of this descending triangle. If we take a look at the oscillator right now, oscillator is showing that market of pundix is extremely oversold, as the stochastic is moving in the oversold zone. Now if we take a look at this down channel, then this was the resistance of the channel that the price line broke out here back on 7th Feb 2022. And after breaking out, we were testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, but eventually we moved down as the Bitcoin was turning more bearish. But pundix resists very well against the bearish trend, and it was moving above the support, but unfortunately we are again inside this channel back. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see we had a long spike here even beyond this resistance of the down channel, but could not break it out and moved back, rejected. Now we are again moving up to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this down channel. Now if we switch to the very small time frame, like here on the hourly time frame chart, then we can see that we have found a resistance here, and we also have a support on this hourly time frame. The resistance is coming from here, and this was the final rejection by this resistance, and here we also have the support. So we also have another long down channel on the hourly time frame that was started. This formation was started back on 15 Feb 2022, and recently we broke down the support here, but this was the fake out to the downside, and the price line recovered back, moved above this support of the channel, and now we are again inside this channel. Now for example, if the price line reaches here at the resistance that is approximately at 73 cents, and in case of breakout, our final target can be here, that is approximately 83 cents. We can see that during this move we had a long spike here up to 82.6 cents. That was very close to this target as well, but so far the price line did not break this down channel completely out. Therefore we can expect that if the price line breaks out this resistance, that then it will be not a spike like this one, that will be a complete rally and a series of a bullish candlesticks, and then it will hit this target again. And this is also a resistance as well on the short term. You can see that we have so many touch points here at approximately 83 cents, and after breaking out this resistance, we can expect that the price line can turn more bullish. Now if we move back to this daily time frame, where we have this long-term down channel on the daily time frame, and if the price line reaches here at 83 cents, then it's mean that it will be moved above the resistance of this down channel once again, and it can break out this resistance to start another move to the upside. So next few hours are really very important. We have re-entered this channel, and in case of breakout this resistance of the down channel, then we can expect that the price line can also break out this resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.